Hi everyone. Today we're going to be installing a battery disconnect switch, a terminal disconnect. So if you got a drain on your battery and or you want to have your car sit for a long time and you don't want your battery to drain, you can just install one of these and just do an on-off switch for it. So we're going to try and install that today and see if it works. So here we go. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay, so this is to install this on the negative terminal. So let's see if this fits in there smooth. Okay, yeah. Okay, so when I had this thing, I had to do some filing right here because when this was in a mold or something like that, it left a couple little posts like that, and it was not fitting in the terminal very smoothly. So I just took a file and rounded it off. So, okay, so this is supposed to install here, and then this part goes here. So, okay, that's pretty snug. So then we'll just cinch that up there. Should be a 1/2 inch, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so well, there we go. So we'll just snug that up a little bit here. Okay, and we'll snug this one down here. Okay, and we'll take the positive terminal here. Put it down. Okay, we'll snug that down. Okay, so now on this battery thing, I don't know if there's no real directions on this thing as far as let's see, do not consume, keep lead free. Okay, designed to cut off power flow. It doesn't really say, it just says on or off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw it down, I guess all the way down. Okay, so I'm gonna screw it all the way down, and then I'm gonna attempt to start the vehicle and see if it'll start. Well, actually the light just came on here. So if I screw it the other way, how much do I need to screw it before the light goes out? I'm screwing it, the light's still there. Okay, the light just went out just now. So I'm not sure how much you have to unscrew it. So screwing it down, the light just went on. Okay, so if I snug it all the way down, the light is on. If I unscrew it, the light just went out. So unscrew it about that much. I'll unscrew it a little bit more just so there's no chance of a connection. So I'm going to screw it down, see if I can start the motor. I know the light goes on, but let's see if I can start the motor just for kicks and giggles here. Okay, so this ain't gonna fall, is it? Let's hope not. Okay, we'll be right back. Hold on. it worked as advertised there, folks. I'm just gonna go, since I do have a drain on my battery somewhere that I cannot find, I'm gonna go ahead and just back this off until that light goes out. Okay, light just went out. Okay, so I'm gonna back it off a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and call that good. So it seemed like a really simple install, and the battery shouldn't drain now. Remember to hook it up to the negative pole on your battery. I think if you hook it up to the positive, it's really bad news. So that's that. That's how to install the terminal disconnect switch on your batteries. Really simple, really easy. Probably wear some gloves. Some of this stuff's supposed to cause cancer or whatever. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Hope this helps you keep your car from ever having to charge your batteries all the time. Okay, bye.